Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you the overview of Ansys Workbench 2020 R2. This is how it looks when you open Workbench in your laptop or PC. Okay, if you want to do the fluid analysis CFD, you have to open the Fluid Flow Fluent. Okay, this is the towards your right side is in the Properties tab. In order to do your analysis, you just have to double click on Fluid Flow Fluent. There we'll have the individual elements present in the complete process of fluent analysis. The first one is geometry, the second one is mesh, the third one is setup, the fourth one is solution, and the sixth one is results. So today in this video we are going to concentrate on geometry first, and this is a series of lectures where we are going to see individual elements in the different videos. When I click on this geometry, you will find that this property tab has opened towards my right. You can see this everything is detailedly mentioned here. Currently I'm doing 2D analysis, so it's better I make it to 2D, and right click on this. You will find a few options. Go to new design modeler. You can even do this in space claim geometry, but it's better for design modeler is simpler and very easy to handle. So I'm clicking on design modeler. It will take time to start the design modeler, depends on your system configuration. Okay, this is how design modeler looks like when it completely opens. Okay, here are the files you can create. You can even extrude, you can make 3D geometry using these. There's a concept, we can turn a line into a sketch. So we're going to use basic tools now. So for the demo's sake, I'm going to create a nozzle here. So first we have to choose one plane. So let us take XY plane. This is the first quadrant. So we have to first create a sketch. So I'm creating one sketch. So let us face that and use the sketching tools which are available in the sketching. You can draw, you can use modify to change the lines you have drawn before. You can use dimensions to give your complete sketch constraints, and you can use these all constraints to fit perfectly. For drawing, I'm using basic line. You can directly draw as you draw in CAD parts. You can directly draw like this. So when you draw, you may have noticed that one H is appearing on my sketch. That represents the line which I'm drawing is horizontal, perfectly horizontal. So make sure it is like that when you are drawing a horizontal line. So yeah, after we draw this sketch, you have to give the dimensions to this, but you can't directly edit here. The editing can be done here towards the left detail view tab. You can you'll have dimensions 1H1. You can edit here. So make sure the dimensions which you give are in meters and degrees. You can change this whenever you want in the units tab, but for now it's in meter. So let us quickly give the dimensions to this. In order to zoom, you can use the right click button and drag until the area you want to zoom in. It will automatically zoom and fits in. Okay. So this is very simple sketch. So what if we have to create a domain and split it into different sections? After we give the dimensions, we have to go to concepts, surface from sketch. Actually we are generating a surface from the sketch. The surface represents the 2D geometry, so we are going to click on surfaces from sketch. Once you click on that, this will ask to apply. You have to select the sketch and apply. Once we apply, we have to generate the sketch. When we generate, the plane will be generated. So this is a 2D surface which we generated. Now what if we have to split this domain into different parts, because during mesh it will be very much useful for us. For that we need to generate another sketch. In this sketch we have to draw the lines through which you are going to split the entire surface. So we can directly draw a line like this. So the line need not to be perfect enough. You can extend the line until it reaches down. Okay, so now back to modeling. I have to generate lines using this sketch. So I have to line from sketch. I have to click on this, to select this, apply. I've generated line. To click on generated line. So now we have lines and sketch. So what surface. So now using these lines we have to split the surface. For that, to go to tools, face split, and we have to give the target domain, that is this, apply. For that you have to select manually, so you should go and click select edges. So go click one, hold the control button and click another. Okay, apply. Now generate the face split. So now you can see that this generated 3 different parts. You're not able to see here, you can see here in the tree lines. So before we exit this geometry, we have to make sure that we suppress these 2 lines, because this will make a disturbance when we import this into mesh. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and subscribe.